Good morning, traders. Hope you guys ended your week on a strong note. Talked to CMEG yesterday. I'm going to pop up a little email I got here. You should have got it. This is for existing users of CMEG for the month of November. You're going to be getting 5% back on the commissions that you spent. I know that may not sound like a lot, but hey, anything helps. I wanted to share that with you guys. Always trying to figure out ways to help out you guys, and CMEG as well. Always trying to figure out ways to help the client out. Every time I talk to them, always very impressed the things they got going on. So if you guys want to head on over there, I mean, you already get 25% off of the commissions if you use the code in the description below. Extra 5% back. Hey, that ain't bad. So what happened today, traders? Well, Euphoria ends in tears every single time. We traded two stocks today, two tickers. I was 2 for 3. I'll say 2 for 3. The first trade I made was a scratch trade. I was really happy with it though, because first of all, I don't really consider a loser if I stick to the plan, and I did there, manage the risk. It's very good confirmation that I'm willing to scratch some of these trades and just have no opinion, no bias. So I was certainly happy there. Traded X, traded AXL, left a lot on the table there on AXL. Took the meat of the move. I'll be happy with it. Let's get into it, traders. X is on watch. This one's getting spicy here. Taking a look at the daily. And what we'll look at is the range here. So we'll look at, okay, on good volume days, what can this stock do? How does it perform? How much can it move? Are there lower shadows? Are there upper shadows? Probably going to start this one over 13. All right, 1301 starting. We're going to get another one around 1320. All right, looking to take some off here shortly. We'll come out a little bit right there. All right, I'm going to come out all of it. Breaking of high right there. Here, we're pushing up even more right now. So looking to get back into this one. It wasn't doing what I was expecting it to do. So if it's not doing that, you don't know what it's going to do. So you just need to get out of it. All right, one more stab at this one. I'm starting at 1346. One more stab at this one. Another add up through 1350. It's holding pretty good, I'll give it that. I was kind of hoping for a bigger position here, but ended up top taking that. I think I'm going to add to it on a pop and risk 1350. All right, just added to it, 1334. That little pop right there. Just risking off a high a day at this point, 1350. All right, I'm going to take half off there at 1320. And taking the rest right there, about 1312, 1312. All right, I'll go over that one real quick. So I started it here. It's that red triangle under the green one. Add. Man, it's money right now. Didn't get full position here, but I did add into it on a pop. So I was happy about that. It gave me some room to make some money on it there. So this one, nearly scratch trade. I took a lot of it off right here, and then the rest of it, break over the high there. X is money in the bag right now, guys. But ultimately, I am very happy that I cut this one right here over high day, took profits and cut it. It tells me I'm managing risk well. I'm not just going add up into oblivion, although that would have made money. It's not the smart way to do it. Got to manage risk. AXL, I may take a position here. I like it. I like what I see. This thing's going straight up. I'll show you guys the daily. At a 70 RSI, this thing's, compared to most green days, it is very overextended. 200 days, 1164. Right now, it's kind of just slowly grinding upward. What I want is a fast move on it. Kind of like we saw at the start of the day here. About 30 or 40 cent pop, I'm in it. Well, guys, it's 10:25. Not seeing anything and going to not force a trade. Although I want to. Not going to lie. It's going to be Monday before I can trade again. So, got an itch and not going to scratch it. That's just how it goes sometimes. Just going to end with X. And that's going to wrap up the day. Ultimately happy, with X as far as managing the risk there. Even though it would have turned out really green. I would have turned out really green there if I would have broke rules and just, add. But I was really happy there. Well, I might have a trade on AXL. Let's turn our attention back there real quick. This one's starting to get going a little bit. Starting at 1085. I do want this up through 11. I do want this up through 11. And planning for that. Alright, just added 1071. Risk is high day at this point. High day break 1091. Euphoria usually ends in tears, my friends. Just took half off 1066. And just took the rest off at 1056. That's going to be it for today for sure. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hit me up if you guys have any questions at all. AveryDayTrading@gmail.com. If you want to know how to find these stocks every single day, IntensityStockWatch.com. That'll be in the description below. Traders, love you guys. See you all first thing Monday morning.